Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Zealot and preparing your phone. Make sure the speaker has some charge and you turn it on. Once on, press and hold the power or mode button for about 3 to 5 seconds until the LED blinks or you hear a pairing prompt. On your phone, go directly to Bluetooth settings and keep the page open. This immediate setup speeds discovery because the speaker broadcasts only while in pairing mode, so don't navigate away yet. Once your phone is scanning, locate the Zealot entry in the list and tap to connect. If a PIN dialog appears, try 0000 or 1234. Many Zealot units connect without any code. After you select it, keep still and wait for a confirmation tone from the speaker or a connected status on your screen. If the phone shows paired but no audio plays, make sure the speaker is set as the output device in the current app. Sometimes apps override system audio settings. Finish by playing a test track and adjusting volume on both the Zealot and your phone so you can hear incoming sound clearly. If pairing fails, power the speaker off, then on, and try the long press pairing sequence again. Many models have a reset combination. Consult the quick guide if needed. If problems persist, move closer, disable other Bluetooth devices, or restart your phone. These steps clear conflicts and usually restore a stable connection quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.